I bet your sick leg for a and tiny and red. Elevate your tricep, you're a martyr in bed. And you're sitting on the gold mine, shooting up the old time, cleaning up the refuse of your flat shirt and coke line. Now I've been pulling thread, doing all kinds of evil. Now you hate me, baby, but don't break the needle. Hey, 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 hey.